Welcome. We will demystify Forms 15CA and 15CB, the two E-forms that must be filed before most outward remittances from India. We will cover who must file, the data needed, exemptions, the role of Form 10F and recent changes. This is the flight plan for the session. Section 195 governs TDS on non-resident payments. Subsection 6 empowers CBDT to collect information. Rule 37BB operationalizes this through E-forms 15CA and 15CB. From 2024 an additional Form 15CD applies only to IFSC units, but today we focus on the mainstream forms. Think of Form 15CA as a self-declaration. Parts A or B apply when aggregate remittance is less than or equal to 5 lakh rupees in the FY. Part C when greater than 5 lakh rupees and a CA certificate is obtained. Part D when the payment is non-taxable under the Act. Form 15CB shifts responsibility to a professional. The CA confirms the exact section, rate and amount of tax to be withheld and certifies supporting documents such as TRC, 10F. The compliance burden sits squarely with the Indian remitter. Banks act as gatekeepers and will not process SWIFT unless the acknowledgement number is quoted on the Form A2 or equivalent instruction. The 5 rupees lakh threshold applies to the financial year, not per transaction. Also remember that for multiple small payments that together exceed the threshold, Part C of Form 15CA must be furnished along with Form 15CB for each subsequent tranche. Most of this auto prefills from your e-filing profile from 2025, but double-check purpose codes, a frequent error point. Purpose codes align with RBI's Foreign Exchange Management Act categories. Attach working papers to your file. These are not uploaded but the CA should retain them for 7 years. Since April 2025 UDIN validation happens real-time during upload. Sequence matters. 15CB first, where applicable. Many banks insist on hard copy of the acknowledgement plus signature, so plan at least 1 to 2 business days before the funds must go out. Keep the schedule handy. If your transaction squarely fits in the list, bankers will only need a simple declaration. No 15CA, CB, speeding up the remittance. Stay alert. Rule 37BB notifications are frequent. The takeaway: process is moving fully online and banks are integrating APIs to pull acknowledgement numbers directly. TRC is issued by the payee's home tax authority but often omits particulars like tax identification number. Form 10F bridges that gap so that the Indian payer can apply DTAA rates confidently. CBDT extended manual 10F filing for non-PAN holders till the 30th of September 2025. After that, electronic filing with PAN is expected to be mandatory. Following this checklist avoids 90% of bank queries. Keep scanned copies in a single folder. E-filing portal now stores previous submissions for reference. Penalties are per form, not per remitter, so multiple lapses can add up quickly. More importantly, reputational impact and blocked vendor payments hurt business. The e-filing utility flags many errors but purpose code mismatches still slip through. Regular training of finance teams and a pre-remittance checklist are best practices. Thank you for your attention. Please like, share and subscribe. Light of Knowledge.